Such great conversations. I can feel the energy in the room rising.
Do I want to be somebody, or do I want to do something?
The game is broken. You are not broken.
There is big transformation awaiting you in this session. I also believe that if you chose to be here, you are meant to be here.
It's your perspective on the world has shifted even just 1 degree. Knowing that that is enough to get you to where you want to go.
So what I saw here today is all these beautiful friendship forms. It's the connections that were made.
We will not improve work. We will not heal unless we move past self-care and into collective activism. If you're not a trans woman, advocate for trans women. If you're not a Black woman, advocate for Black women. That is your role in this collective work.
What that means is we don't use other people's vulnerabilities against them.
Here we come! Woo! Coming in hot!
I will leave you with some highly actionable steps that you can take to increase the level of true wealth in your own life.
It's no longer a project. Now I have solutions.